Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Suzuki Swift GLX, stock reference number 5452. The shape runs from the 4th month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a K10C, 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. K10C, 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door and rear door no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, sat nav, touchscreen, media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.